Sorry about that, fellas. I had it on mute. Um, I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm not gonna make any kind of moves just yet. I want to see what happens right here. See if we can get a reversal on the 30, on the 20. What is it on the? Looks like we might be going down to that 300, guys. So we'll go ahead and get out just in case. There's too much going on right now, guys. It's too much going on, fellas. Too much going on right now. Just gotta be patient here. I'm gonna wait till it comes back down again. If it does go to 300, I'll set another one there, guys. I'm being kind of greedy right now, so I'm gonna wait through 300 and then I'm gonna get out. Or once it hits 300, and then I'll put it in another position. Got out of that one, guys. I'm gonna wait till it hits this 7 right here, and then I'll sell it at the 7. If it does. If it does go to that 7. Or we can go right above this right here. This 21. All right, guys, let's wait. Let's see what happens. I do want to get this. Come on. I wanted to reach right here, back again. I'm gonna wait. If it does reach the 300, guys, I'm gonna wait. We're at 319, 310, 300, guys. Once it reaches 300, I'm putting in another one. I'm gonna try to, if I do break even, I'm getting out. Better safe than sorry, guys. Better safe than sorry, fellas. See what happens here. See if we can get this reversal. I don't know just yet. We're just gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait till it reaches up here if it does. Trading pre-market and open market chop. Patience, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. Just waiting, guys, just waiting. See if we get that initial breakout. Come on, get it. I'll reach that top of that zone, see if I can break even. I got out, guys. I'm out of that trade. I'm gonna wait for another push back down to these levels down here. If we do get that to down there, guys. All right, watch out, guys. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback and then try to get into some longs again. Looks like we might be going back up to that 493.50. 493.50, guys. About to sell down. We'll see. We'll see. We don't know. We don't know just yet. Yeah, you could be right. It's coming up to this level right here, so let's see what happens right here. Either way, I'm going to scalp this. I'm going to scalp this. If we do come down, I'm going to buy in right here. We could possibly. We don't know. I'm gonna try to get out of this trade here in a minute. I don't like this we're at the top of a range. We're at the top of a range, guys, so I do want to see it go up to that 493.50 though. 493.50 to the top. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm not definitely not profitable trading every 1 minute. Oh, is that so? Oh, is that you or is this, I mean, that's, I don't just do 1 minute, guys. I look at everything. Just because a trade goes south does not mean you're not profitable. Yeah, and I've been successful at it. What's wrong? What's wrong with doing 1 minute time? I don't just do 1 minute. I look at everything, guys. I have charts all over the place on my screens, so I look at everything. I just don't change them in and out on here, guys. I'm looking at this wick to the upside, though. I'm looking up here. 420s, guys. Go ahead and get out. Go ahead and get out. Okay, and I'm being smart about it. I don't go in with, 5 contracts all in one place. I don't know what is it with y'all guys, with some of y'all guys thinking it's, yeah, this is not your account, man. I'm the one trading it. Like, come on, be respectful. I'm gonna wait, guys. I don't know if we're gonna have a reversal. I am seeing that top side, though. I'm seeing it all the way up here, guys. I'm seeing this right here. So I'm just gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. See what happens. See if we can come back to the. I'm looking at the 30 seconds. It's still looking good right now, so I'm just gonna wait for a little small pullback if we do get one, and then I'm gonna go longs again. I don't care how many times I scalp this, guys. I'm not gonna hold it because anything can go south really quick. So I should be getting the bottoms though. I should be getting in here, down here, guys, but it is what it is. MLDs, what's going on? I am going to get to the, if I do get in, I'm going to get in right here, guys, or right here to the upside. I do see this up here, guys, so, um, yeah, I will get in down here. I'm going to wait till another pullback, and then, I'm not going to ride this thing up, guys. I'm not going to hold this. Anything can happen at any moment, so I'm going to wait for a pullback. Once we get a red candle in 7 minutes, or actually, let's look at the 5. This candle closes in 2 minutes, guys. So let's see what happens when this candle closes in 2 minutes. Let's look at the EMAs. It did touch that 50 on the 5 minute. The MACDs are still spread. It's actually curving, so the stochastics already crossed over. So I do want to see it come back down and then pull back up. I want to see it come back down, then pull back up, guys. If I do see anything, it'll be right here. Or we can just get in and just try to scalp this thing up. It's all right if it comes down here, guys. I'm gonna wait. For every drop, guys, you can scalp this stuff. It's fairly easy. It's not hard. You just gotta know what you're looking for. See what we do, guys. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and see what happens. I am looking at this 5 minute. If we go at the 5 minute, I am looking up here. Or actually, you know what? It's at the 10. I'm looking at this right now, so let's just give it a second, see what happens, guys. For every drop, I'm gonna get in and get out, guys. We could be turning here. I'm just gonna wait, fellas. See what we do. On the 1 minute, the Stochastics looks like it already flipped over to the downside, but let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna be careful on this one, especially at the top of this range. Um, I mean, you can always save them, but you have to know exactly how to average down. All right, see what we do, guys. It looks like we might be reaching up here, so let's see what we do. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. We might be able to get in here in a minute. If I were to get in, it would be right here too, right there. But I'm just gonna scalp, guys. See what we do. So I'm watching this area up here, guys. Let me put it on the 10 so y'all can see. I might just close those markers off. I am looking at this level down here. Where is it at? Right here. So I'm gonna wait for a little pullback, or we can just get in here in a minute. Come on, pull back. If it does pull back down, guys, I'm getting into more contracts here. This could be the top of the range, so I was being greedy. It's all right. Doesn't mean I'm a bad trader or whatever you want to call me. I'm about to get into another one, guys. I'm waiting for a small pullback. We need a breakout, guys. Otherwise, this thing's gonna go south. So, and this is the top of a range, so I don't like this right now. I'm still looking at those 410s, guys, to the upside. I mean, we might come back down here and bounce off of here, but we never know. We just don't know. Oh, that was the top of the range. I'm looking at the 30 and it hit that 7. It's riding off that 7 on the 30, guys. So this is not good. It's all right. 30 bucks is nothing. I'm gonna get in down here, guys. Or I'll try to break even first and then work my way. On the 1 minute, on the 30 seconds, we're actually still above that MACD, guys. So I think I'll be all right. We need to just come up all the way to 390. We need to come up to 390, guys. See what happens here. What was that? I'm about to get out, guys. This does not look good. I'm gonna have to get out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out, guys. So I'm gonna see if I can get it, if we can get a little good pullback or something. If not, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting out, guys. I'm gonna start scaling out. Looks like we might be able to reach those 300s to the downside. I don't know. That's all right. I'm still green for today, guys. I'm still green, so you win some, you lose some, guys. We're not always right. That was a crazy move, though. I don't know what news came in that dropped. I have no idea, guys. I don't know. I don't watch the news. I know it helps, but the market's going to react the way it's going to react, guys. So let's see if we can get that push up, guys. That's crazy. That's a crazy move, fellas. That is a crazy move. I should have held, but it's all right, guys. We gotta be careful, guys. We gotta be careful. I see it upside, guys, on the 10 minute. If you're watching the 10 minute, I'm seeing this up here. We have this as well, guys. We have this too. We have this wick as well, guys. Be careful here. I might go ahead and get out. We also have a wick down to the 300s, guys, so just be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. I really don't know. I really don't know, guys. Thanks for sharing the live. All I'm gonna do is just scalp, guys. I'm gonna scalp this, so I'm seeing this up here. I'm seeing this as well. I'm just taking that little change, guys. I'm taking the small change. If we do drop down here, guys, then I'm gonna get in at 300. I'm gonna wait for those 300s, guys, all the way down here to put in another contract and then average up or whatever. I should be doing it right now, guys. If for every drop that it goes down, I should be doing it already, but we just never know what's going to happen, fellas. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get out. I'm going to wait for another small drop and then I'll get in. I'm going to wait for another small drop if we do get one. This the Sarcastics crossover on the 30 seconds. I'm hopping in on some long positions, guys. I still see this right here. I'm getting out. All right. I'm going to wait again. I'm not going to hold this, guys, because we don't know where it's going to go. I'm going to wait for a small pullback. Get out. I'm going to wait for a small pullback again. Jeez. All right, I'm going to wait till the kid comes down here, guys. I'm going to wait again. If it does come down here, I'm going to set another one down here. Or we can just start averaging now. I'm looking towards that upside at this area here, guys. I'm going to start scaling out, guys. Just wait for another pullback. We still have room up there, guys. We still have a lot of room. This could be a top of a range as well, guys, so just be careful. This might come all the way back down here. We don't know. All right, let's just wait and see, guys. I'm looking at 420s, guys. Looking at 420s. I'm gonna check the 1 hour, see how the 1 hour is looking like, guys. We're about to touch that 50, or we're about to touch a signal line on the 1 hour, so just be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. This is we're starting we have a range here now, so I'm just gonna be careful. So as it comes down, I'm gonna buy up. I'm gonna wait for another pull down. I'm gonna wait for a pull back down, guys, and then I'm gonna get into some more longs. But watch that 1 hour, guys. We are hitting those we're about to hit that signal line on the MACD. So just watch out for that, guys, because we can come all the way back down here. I'm looking all the way up to on the QQQs 493.45, guys. 493.45. So just be careful, fellas. I'm gonna wait till it reaches down here and then I'll buy some more down here, guys. I'm gonna wait till it reaches down here. Or we can just set some short positions and then just try to work it in there somehow. Or we can just get in and be greedy. Just don't do this, guys. Don't just get in just because, all right? Or don't get in because you're eager to get into a trade. I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm at 216.50. I'm gonna wait for another pullback, especially down here at this bottom of this range, guys. I'm gonna wait. Um, we do have a big green candle though at this 10. If you're looking at this, let me take these markers off, guys. The markers doesn't really matter either way. So if you're looking at that, we have this area up here. I'm not gonna, well, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback, guys. We do have a bottom of this range, so I'm gonna wait. Or I want to wait till it hits that 7 on the 1 minute. Or like I said, we can get in. If you want to be greedy, you can go ahead and get in. We can be greedy. All the way up to 493.47, guys, on the Qs. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm at 239. Let me put it back to markers, guys, so y'all can see what's going on here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback to the 7, possibly. Pull back to the 7, and then keep climbing up to that 493.45 or 97.47 to 494.76, guys. 496.76. 496.76, fellas. But we can still come all the way back down here. Or yeah, all the way down here, guys. Oh, that was Nvidia, guys. Look at Nvidia right now. Look what Nvidia's doing. That's crazy. Meta is up. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. Let's see. I'll be on for another 20 minutes and then I'm heading off, guys. But yeah. I'm at 250, 250, 150, guys. 250, 150. I want to wait for a pullback, guys. I do see something at 493.50, 493.50. So we could probably hold these. I want to wait for it to come back, and then I might just hold one, or I might just keep scalping, guys. So I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's wait for a pullback on the possibly around here if we do get one between the 7 and the 21. There's usually a sweet spot there on the 1 minute, guys. Just look at the 5. See what's the 5 doing. So this candle closes in 1 minute, guys. 1 minute and 7 seconds. So let's see what happens. If we start getting a red candle, then I'll start going short. Possibly. Just depends. Just wait. Let's look at the 4 minute. We are creating a four on the 4 minute. We are creating a red candle. Let's look at the 5. We have 37 seconds. I want to see what happens in 37. We've got 25 seconds, guys. We got 6 seconds, guys. We might just get in now. So I'm already up 251.50, guys. 251.50. All right, so we are closed. I guess we closed red. Oh, we closed green, but we're starting to go red, guys. So let's look at the 1 minute, see what's going on here. We can get greedy and start going in for long positions all the way to 500. Um, see what we do. This is the top of the range, guys. This is very dangerous. We can bounce off this 7 again or come back between this 7 and 21. I'm going to go ahead and get out if I'm able to. There we go. I'm at 259.50. I'm jumping back in, guys. I'm still seeing levels all the way up to 500, 510. I do want to see a retracement back though. I want to see a retracement back. If it does come all the way down here, guys, I'm getting into between the 7 and the 21. That's a sweet spot on the 5 minute, guys. Or on the yeah, on the 5 minute. Or actually on the 1 minute, sorry. I still see the levels at 500, 510, 500, 490, guys. It's 510, 500, 490. I'm gonna hold this. I'm not closing nothing, guys. I'm gonna hold it. Any sign of weakness, guys, and I'm getting out. So that'll be possibly here soon, guys. If we start pulling back, if you're looking at the 30 minute and we start pulling back on the 30 minute, watch that candle and like watch it create a big shadow if it does come all the way back down, guys. We're gonna have to go all the way back up either way. So watch that 30 minute. We'll probably will be consolidating around here. I do see another range here. I see another range here, guys. All right, guys, I will be getting off here in 9 minutes. Might start getting a reversal here, guys. Let's see. Well, we're still above the MACD on the 30 seconds, on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. So yeah, we can come all the way back down and still keep coming up, guys. So let's just wait and see what happens, fellas. Let's wait and see what happens. I can still see this thing going back up to 510, 500, 490s, guys. That's on the Qs. We're talking about um, all the way 494.45, 494.45. We might get a pullback all the way down to 492.23, but we just never know, guys. We don't know what they're gonna do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I don't know what's gonna happen, so it's very tricky around this area. We can't get a really big FU candle coming down, so I want to be able to just be safe. But I am up 262.50 for now. So we already hit this level here. We can remove that. Let's go look at the 5 minute. We have another level at the top. So I will be looking for a pullback, possibly back down to this 50. Um, that's on the that's right here, guys, somewhere right here. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens, guys. I'm gonna wait, guys. Wait. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm already up 256. I'm still looking at 510s, 500s, 490s, guys. It's very slow right now, so I might just get out of this one. I am up though. I'm at, ooh. I got 5 more minutes left, guys, and then I'm out. Actually, you know what? I'm done. I'm done, guys. That's it. I'm done at I'm up 274. I'm up 274, guys. I'm up 274.50. I still see levels at 510, 500, 490s, guys, so I'm still seeing levels at, yeah, 510, 500, 490s. So wait for a pullback possibly down to between 392 and 410, or between the 21 and the 50, guys. Um, yeah. So just watch those levels down here. So that's it for me, fellas. I'm done. I'm done, guys. I got 3 more minutes left, guys. 3 more minutes. And that'll be it for me. No more trades. I'm pretty sure it's going to be slow for the rest of the day. And besides, it's Friday, guys. Y'all should enjoy your weekend. Get off early. Get away from the markets. Relax a bit. You gotta relax, guys. All right, fellas. So I got about 2 minutes and I'm getting off, and hope everybody enjoys their weekend. It's probably going to be slow for today, guys, after this pull. I don't know. Really don't know. If we do get a pull down, guys, watch that 1 hour, or watch this 30 minute, 30. Okay, let's see. That's NQ, but still. All right, so I'm gonna go on NQs right now. Watch the 30, guys. Watch this 30. If we start coming down, guys, we're gonna create a shadow, and we're gonna have to come up either way. So, damn. Damn, fellas. Look at that, man. I told you I wasn't lying when I make about 80 trades. I do it in one day, 80 to 100. I'm just picking off them $5 and $10, guys, and $20, them 30s. I'm not buying right now. Nope, I'm not gonna buy. I mean, like I said, I do see those levels up top. Well, it already hit there basically, but I want to see it go above that 500. I want to see it go above that 500, but like I said, markets are crazy. Anything can happen. We can get that drop like it did earlier today. And yeah, I'm not going to get in right now, guys. This is over. This is overshot up. Anything can happen. This thing can drop very quickly. Look at that green candle though on the 30 minute. Jeez. It's crazy, guys. I don't like it. We do have a zone right here. We have a zone right here. And this is all free, guys. I don't know what this is. So I would wait for a pullback. I would wait for a pullback and then buy in again. But anyways, all right, fellas, that's it for me today. I hope y'all were profitable. Um, have a good weekend, guys. Relax, your brains from all this stuff. I'm going to correction. All right, guys. So yeah, I hope y'all did well today. I'm already up 274.50. I am done for today. I'm gonna go and relax, and uh, I gotta get some stuff to get done as well. But I will see y'all Monday, around possibly 8 or 9, maybe 9:25, maybe 9:30. I don't know. It always varies, guys. Just depends on how I feel. But I will see y'all next week, and just don't over leverage, guys, and just be careful with the markets, right? I will see y'all. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you haven't already, follow me. If you haven't already, follow me on Facebook, guys. I need the followers on Facebook. That way I could stream on there as well. Same thing, Man of Many Trades, all in one word. But thanks, guys, for being in here, and I will see